spirit kind of music, but that's your stuff. Sorry. Okay. Alright, sorry. That's why I'm scared. This next song is one that it's a rendition that one of my favorite artists did, and her name was Eva Cassidy. She taught me so much with just the sensitivity of the music and the emotion of the song. Unfortunately, she passed away several years ago from cancer, but what she's left for so many people has been great. And I first heard the song actually during the Utah Winter Olympics when Michelle Kwan did a skate performance to it. And this song is called Fields of Gold. We walk the fields of gold. I never made promises like